Hi guys, I'm Komal Borasha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make chili paneer in a restaurant style. So let's begin. I've taken around 250 grams of paneer and cut them in cubes. And now I'm adding some salt, some red chili powder, and this is optional. And now I'm going to add cornstarch and I'm going to coat all these cubes in it, so it is going to be super crispy when we're going to deep fry it. So I have added all my paneer and I'm going to wait till it gets golden brown in color. Like few spots of golden brown is going to be enough. So let's check. In a kitchen towel, I'm going to transfer all my paneer cubes and see guys how beautiful they look. They have a perfect golden brown color on top of it. So I'm just going to transfer all of it. Okay, now our paneer is done. We're going to switch to making the sauce now. So in a pan, I have taken some oil, some chopped ginger, some garlic, green chili, onions, I'm going to saute this well. After this, I'm going to add bell pepper. You can choose any color of your choice. Saute all the veggies quickly. And now I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of sugar. Goes in all the sauces. First goes soy sauce. I'm just going to coat the sauce with all the veggies. I'm adding red chili sauce now. We're going to saute this for 2 or 3 minutes. And after this, I've taken some corn flour and I'm going to add some water. Just mix it all together so there is no lumps. And then we're going to add this. So this gives the thickness to the consistency, basically the sauces that we've added. After this, I am going to mix all of them and we're going to let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the sauce becomes nice and thick and it gets to a nice color. So if your consistency is a little thick, then you can add some water and adjust it. You see the color is sort of changing now. So now we're going to add the paneer. So guys, one tip, do not overcook the paneer and the sauce together because then the crunchiness would go. Okay, and after this you can garnish it with spring onion leaves. Just basically I'm mixing all of it together so the paneer is nicely coated. And it's time for us to plate it, guys. So our chili paneer is ready. A super simple recipe, but a trustworthy recipe. At least when all of us are now stuck at homes, we don't go often as much. You can try this out when you're really craving for a restaurant style chili paneer. Many more recipes coming up, guys, so stay tuned. And if you like the video, you know the drill, to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.